Yeah, you did a super work because now what we'll do is that we add a comparison screen, okay? So the second screen is when the user will compare, okay? Remember that actually, if I click here, okay, there is no way to do a comparison, okay? I know that it's going in memory in a collection, but I need now a second screen, okay? So let's close it. And so what we'll do is that uh, we will compare and we'll do a submit for choose the one that they want to submit for approval. So I need a back button for navigation back to the main screen here. A list of selected machine for comparison will be carrying out from the main screen. So I select here, some here. Let's do alt that to take it out. Okay, when you do alt alt, that's like if you do a play. And other details for each machine and highlighting of the selected machine. Okay, and remember that in other lab you will create the database tables to store the machine order and edit form to this screen to enter extra information. So let's add a new screen. So for that we go here and we will add a new screen. Okay, and the name will be compare screen. So let's go first here and I will do a new screen. It's going to be a blank screen. Okay, when I do that, I will rename this screen and this screen will be compare screen. Okay, here is it. Okay, so from the tree view pane, I'm going to select the main screen. Okay, it's important to select where you want to be. Okay, do you want to be here or here or here? No, I want to be on this screen here. And I'm going to insert a button. Okay, and I'm going to rename it button compare. So let's go here. Let's do insert here. And I'm going to select button. Okay. And I'm going to change the text here. So the text will be will be um, um, okay, okay. Yeah, sorry. And the text here will be, of course, will be the compare, count row compare list, and I will add the item. Okay, so this is important. So, okay, so, oh no, sorry. That's not good at all. I must go in the main screen. That's it. So in the main screen, I will add a button. So here, I will add now a button. So yeah, this is it. So let's do it again because here I need to add a button compare. Okay, so I will do insert button. The name will be compare button. Okay, so I will go here and I will put it here. Okay, like compare something. And the text will be compare. It will count the row in the compare list and add the item. Okay. So if I select 2, it will be compare 2. Okay. If I select 3, it will add compare 3. So let's go on text. And now here I will add the text compare and the number of machine that I selected. So let's go here and that's it. So let me make it bigger. Okay, like this, for example. Okay, so I'm gonna fill it with color black. So fill, where is it? This one. Okay. Oh, where is it? Okay. So I need to fill it. Where is it here? Compare here. That's good. And I need the fill. Okay, let me select the good one. I didn't select the good one. It's this one. Okay, so button. Okay, so let's rename it. Oh no, sorry. So I'm going to rename it to button compare. Okay, that's better. And I will put it here, all down. That's good. And the text now, now I have to fill now. See, I have to fill now. So the text will be um, this one, compare. Okay, so after fill, see I have the fill here. Okay, that's good. So I have now the fill. Okay, that's good now. Fill, and I'm going to fill it with color black. Color black. That's good. I'm going to now put it at the right position. So X will be 1130. It's better. And the Y value will be 720. Okay, that's good. And width will be 2220. Okay, that's good. And the height will be 40. Okay, that's good. Okay, so that's really good. Now I will do something is that I will change the display mode, saying that it will disable the button if no item is selected. Okay, if there is no item here, I will not display this one. So I will go in display mode. That's good. And I will add a super PowerFX because you are a PowerFX Superman. And so let me explain this one. Explain. So this expression sets the display mode off the button control to edit if the number of rows in the compare list table is greater than 0. Otherwise, it set the display mode disable. Okay, here disable. Okay, that's good. Okay, I'm going to change now the border radius. Okay, so here I will go in my display, and the border radius, I will put it at 0. Okay, that's good. Here, 0. Okay, border radius here. Okay, that's good. Okay, I'm going to select now the button compare. I'm going to copy it. I'm going to do a Control C, and it's going to be a clear because maybe I want to clear. If I select a lot, I want a way to clear it. Okay, so I will do. I will select it here, and I will do right, and I will do copy. Okay, so I'm going to copy it. Okay, so if I do copy, I can copy here. Copy, copy. That's good. And I will do now. Go here, and I do a Control V. So I think it's okay. Let me see it. Yeah, that's good. And I want to put it here, but I will change after the position. Okay, I just put it like this, and I will rename the new button. Will be a button clear. Okay, this is very, very nice. So I'm going to do button clear. Okay, that's good. So let's change the X value now. Okay, to put it really at the exact position. So I'm going to put it at 210. That's good. um, and the y at 720, y it will be, so, okay, now let me do something because I did a mistake. The x will be, okay, 210, that's good. And the y value will be exactly this one. This is okay. And now I'm going to change the text, okay, and it's going to be clear selection. Okay, so if I want to clear selection, so I'm going to go into text now here, and I will add, okay, and I will do clear selection. Okay, and on select, I will clear the collection. Okay, so I'm going to do on select now. If you click on it, okay, I'm going to clear the compare list. So we'll do that. And if you click on it, I will clear the content of the compare list within memory. And I will select now this one, okay. And I'm going to change, okay. I'm going to do that. I'm going to select the compare and change unselect value to I will say, of course, navigate to compare screen. Okay, so because when you click on it, it will go here on compare screen. If there is something, he will display it on compare screen. Okay, so I will do please navigate to this screen here. Okay, so I will go on select. That's good. And on unselect, I will say please go to the compare screen. So I will do here. I will say please go to the compare screen. Okay, that's good. Compare screen is this one. Oof. So let's preview the app. Of course, I will need to add something in the compare screen because I have nothing here. But we can see if it's working. Okay. So let's first run it. Okay. So if I do that, bam, it changed here. If I do clear selection, it goes away. So if I want this one, and this one. And if I click on it, it will go on the compare screen where there is nothing because I will need to add something. Okay. So I'm going to group now. Okay, I'm going to group image logo either. Okay, and I'm going to rename it as either. Why? Because I want to copy it and add it here to my compare screen. Okay, so I will go here, and I will need to go to take the logo, to take the LB user and LB either, select a group. Okay, so I will group, so I will multi-select. Okay, so I will take this one, I will do control, I will take this one, sorry, I will take this one, and this one. Now do it again, this one, and this one. That's good. And I'm going to right click on it, and I will do group. Okay, why? Because I will copy them and copy them in the compare screen. Okay, so I will group them. Now there's a group here. Okay, that's very good. And I'm going to rename as either. Okay, so this is the either. This is fantastic where you want to copy this in another screen. Okay, so I'm going to go here and do copy. Okay, copy. And now I'm going to go in the compare screen here, and I will do paste, paste. Okay, so paste, paste, and paste. Wahoo! That's really amazing. So now I have it here. So I'm going to rename it. Okay, I'm going to rename the control of copy to match the screenshot. Okay, so this will be the image logo. Okay, compare screen. Okay, so this one will be image logo, but this one is coming from it's on the compare screen. Okay, so let's do a copy like this. Same thing here. It will be LB user. Okay, so LB user. So I will take out this one here, and I will add the compare screen, and I will do the same thing for here. So it's very important to have a very nice, convention here, and that's it. Oh, okay, so now I will copy the GAL machine from the main screen to the compare screen. Okay, so I will go here, and I will go on my global machine here. Okay, global machine, and I will do a copy, and I will go here on my compare screen, and I will, of course, do a paste. Okay, so let's do a paste. Okay, paste, paste. Okay, so I'm going to rename it now, this one, to gal, so gallery compare list. This one's going to be gallery compare list. Okay, I will put x0, so x will be 0. That's good. The width will be, sorry for the pronunciation, okay? I'm not using any AI solution for that. So it will be 840. And the height will be, not hate, I don't hate anybody. 8 will be 708. 708. Okay, that's good. Okay, so we have now a fantastic way, okay? So if only one machine display on the compare screen, navigate to the main screen and back to the compare screen to refresh the result, okay? So now in this task, I will set up the gallery to show machine lists that were selected from the comparison gallery on the main screen. So I'm going to go here on my compare list, okay? And in the properties pane on the wrap count, I will put 1. So here, I will put 1 here, okay? 1. Okay, that's good. Okay, so I'm going to select the item from the properties value, okay, drop down list, and I'm going to change the value of the formula to compare list, okay? So I'm going to select item now, item, please, item, that's good. And it will be the compare list, of course, because it's the list in memory, remember the collection. So we'll do that and that. Ooh, that's good. That's really amazing. Okay, so now I'm going to remove and add control to the gallery. Okay, so in the compare screen, you are selecting a given item to get approved. So you don't need a compare checkbox. Okay, so I'm going to do is that from the gal compare list here, what we'll do is that I will select the compare button. Okay, so from the for the gal compare list, this one. Okay, I will select compare checkbox and press remove it to delete the checkbox. Okay, so let me just show you something for that. So now I need to remove compare because I don't compare. I don't have a second level of compare. Okay, so I'm gonna go in compare here. Okay, so this is the here, and here I have the compare. Okay, so this is the compare here. Okay, so select the compare checkbox and press delete key to delete the checkbox. Okay, so I'm gonna go here and remove it. Wow, that's good. So I need now to add a new label to display other attributes about the machine. The method is to copy and paste. Okay, you can select the first label in the gallery that display the machine type, copy the label and paste it, rename this label to label item future so that you can easily identify it later, and move the new label so that it's below the price here. Normally, we would edit each individual label text value manually in the properties pane, but with the inline action feature of the gal compare list, we can make this change directly in the Canva. Okay, so that's something that you can do directly in the Canva. Okay. So we will do it now. Okay, before doing that, I need to copy paste this um, this the first label. Okay, so I can do a copy and paste. Okay, so I will do that. I will do a Control C and I will paste it, and I will put it just down here. Okay, and I will rename because I need to add the future of this coffee machine. Okay, so here's the title, and I'm going to rename it label item feature. This is the feature of the machine. Okay, so machine that what feature is it? Okay, so now I did it. So if I go here, I have future. Okay, same thing here, future, future. Okay, so that's it. This is the future. Okay, now I need to change what you will display here. Okay, so you go in gallery here, you go all up, you go in field. Okay, and what you will do is that for the item feature, okay, item feature, you will need to add the feature. Okay, this is logical. Okay, so that's it. So under the ribbon tools at the top of the page, okay, I will change the weight of um, of the label team feature item feature to semi-bold to normal and change the size to 14. Okay, so let's do that now. So this is the future, and I will now go here. Sorry, go here. Okay, so let's go back here. Let's do it here. And for this one, I need to change it to 14 and to put it to normal. Normal. Okay, that's it. So it's gonna be the open sense here. Okay, that's good. And the size is 14. Okay. So now I'm going to copy and paste this label and then move the new fourth label below the third label and rename it as number of cups per weeks. Okay, this is important, number of cups that you can put inside. Okay, so I'm going to take this one. I do control, so we go here, I do go here, I do control C and a control V. And we'll take this one and put it here. Okay. And I'm going to rename it now. This one, it's the label, the average cup per week. This is more you have, if you have a big restaurant, you must do a lot of cup per week. Okay, so I'm going to do this one. Okay, and I will rename it label average cup per week. Okay, for this one. And now I need to go to this one. I need to go to my gallery, and now I need to go to gallery list. I go to field and to the cup per week here. Okay, this one. I don't know if you see. Okay, I need to do the average cup per week. Ooh, that's really good. So I'm going to repeat the previous step to add text box to display the other machine properties. Okay, like some machine the average espresso per week value and the description. Okay, so I'm going to do it again, and I need to rename it correctly. Okay, so I have now I need to add now um, the average espresso, okay, by week value. So I do that, go in corporate list, I take this one, I do Control C and Control V. I go all down, put it here, okay, for example, move them up. Okay, yeah, that's good, like this. And this will be the average espresso per week, okay? So this one will be label, okay, average expression per week, okay, this one. So it will be label. So let's do that. Let's go here. this one will be average level. Okay, it will be espresso per week. Okay, so I do that. That's good. After, okay, this is the label average espresso per week. I go here and I take my label espresso per week. Okay, and I will select espresso per week. Okay, that's good. Now I need the description. Okay, so I need now to add the description. So here again, I will go here. I will take this one. I will do a copy paste. I will go here and I will add now the description like this. This is good. So this will be the description. Okay, so it will be the description. Okay, so the description will be the label item description. Okay, so it will be label, and it will be label item description. And now I go back here. I'm going to say now that the label okay, this one, label description is description. Okay, that's good. So now I will select the description here. Okay, and I will say the size. Okay, the size of the description will be 12. Okay, size. So we'll go here, size, and I will put 12. 12. Okay, that's good. Okay, and the auto 8 value located, I will do, okay, in the description. So the auto 8 value. Okay, auto here. Yeah, I will put an on. So the size will change depending of the description. I go now to the properties. I go to text alignment and I will put it on like this. That's really good. Woohoo. And the gallery should be like this now. Okay, so let's now save it. It's time to save it. Okay, and that's really good. So now I need to do another section. It will be to highlight the selected machine. Okay, this will be really very nice. Okay, to highlight the selected machine. So I'm going to do that in the next video. Ciao, ciao.